Right, to repair the tail gear or the main gear assembly, we will need one Phillips screwdriver, and one needle nose plier set, preferably a small hobby set, so that it's easier to handle with tiny parts. And let's get on with it. All right. We're going to be taking out that little pin that's right there. And it's good to have handy set of needle nose pliers. Various sizes will do. This one is great for me. So let's see how much luck I have with this. Okay, that slipped right out. Put that aside and take it from here. Alright, we're going to take off the main gear, and sometimes you just have to work it out some, and it comes out holding. I am holding the head like so, making sure I don't bend anything, and then let's widen this shot out some. And I'm just going to pull away while twisting the main gear at the same time. Okay, and it comes right off. Easy peasy Japanesey. Put that away, check, make sure we don't have any stripped gears on the main shaft. It's on the main gear itself. And just remember that this is the flat side. This is the side that goes towards the bottom of the helicopter. And this is the side with the gears. This goes towards the inside part of the heli. And we are replacing a tailbone shaft front gear here. And we will remove these 4 screws as well. These are very similar screws to the ones in the landing skid. There we have the screws removed, and it's going to be exposed in a few minutes. Plate comes off. There's a little nib right here that goes towards the front of the heli. Don't forget that. And just lift it. It comes off freely. Okay, put this to the side, and there it is. Should be easy enough now to replace that stripped gear that's in there. Okay, we're going to remove this stripped gear, and everything has got its place. Everything is slotted. The shaft has a slot it fits in, as well as the bearing. And if you look at this, it comes off from inside like so. It comes out from the groove. Pull that out carefully, and when we pull this out, it's connected to the shaft at the end, the gear at the very end of the tail. I'll show you that. And it will come out. It will slide out, and that gear will fall right on out. I'll show you how that's done in case you ever have to replace that gear in the back as well. I'll just hold it between here. I'm going to now slide the shaft out. And pull it out. I'm holding the gear, the main chassis and everything in one hand, sliding this out. And there it is. It's out, and pay close attention that the end of the rod is slotted. It's got a flat side, it's not completely round. And put that down, the whole thing down. I'm going to put this down, and I'm going to catch the little gear that comes out the back, which is for the tail. There it goes. Alright, that is slotted. Do not forget that. It is a slotted gear. Just like the shaft that fits into it, it's not perfectly round. It's got one flat side. It's keyed, so you can't get that wrong. It's a bit tricky to put back in, but with some practice, you should get good at it. And let's go back to removing the stripped gear that was at the end of the shaft. Should come off easily. That's also slotted. There it goes. That's garbage now.